omanyi bwe twakulira kine kisi bwe twakulira akayimba kano yakwebaza nnyo maama. Put your hands together for Mama Alina. Everybody put your hands together. And I want to thank you so much, Reverend Yo. Thank you so much for coming to support this lady. I've just spent 30 years in the music industry, but I already feel tired. So, put your hands together for 50 years in the music industry. You know, she's the only woman in Uganda who has ever built a studio, put up a radio, and brought up the top 16 artists in Uganda. I did not attend the rehearsals because I was in hospital. For my tour, she kept on calling me every other day because I had to be there. Even as I speak, I'm not in a good shape. But guess what? I'm so happy that I'm here on this day. And I'm so proud of you because you're the greatest mother in this music industry. And may the Almighty God bless you because you've done your part. You have done your part. Opposite party, thank you so much. Omanyaka yiba twakayimba kati nze muvubuka naye kati nina amaaso genda baligamba nawe okaddiye ojja kumpuliramu omwasi alalala enze njegere nazikutudde